Hi everyone, my name is Sandeep and I am the Director of Social Media here at Shackley, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you of our brand new Prove It Challenge. But before I start, let me just tell you what the Prove It Challenge is. It is a 30-day system designed to really help you feel amazing. And the best part is that it's guaranteed or you get your money back. So if you are looking to jumpstart your weight loss, kick your cravings, start a nutrition regimen, get better sleep, or just overall feel healthier, this is the program for you. And not only is it guaranteed or your money back, but it's quick, it's easy, and it's only 30 days that you're committing to. So if everyone's up for a challenge, let's dive into the box. So the first thing with the box is that it says Prove It Challenge across the top, which is super cute, and then it is saying get ready to prove it. So we're all really going to prove that in 30 days we can feel amazing. So let's dive in. All right, so opening the box. So the first thing we have when we open the box is an insert. It says, welcome to the hashtag Prove It Challenge, because of course we want you guys posting on social media. And really it's just taking you through kind of the 3 steps to get you started. The first one is about joining our community and where you can go for all of your online support. And the second part is the cleanse. So you're starting with a 7-day cleanse, and it is kind of just telling you a little bit about it and then where to go for more information. And the third part is how you're finishing your 30-day challenge, which is days 8 through 30. And it's just a strip and a vitamin shake, or a vitamin strip and a shake. So that's super easy and informative. That's the first part of your kit. The second part of your kit is my favorite part. It is the sign that says, in 30 days, I will feel, and then it has a blank that you can fill out, and the hashtag Prove It Challenge. So I'm going to fill this out. I'm going to take the Prove It Challenge myself, and in 30 days, I really just want to feel healthier and more confident. So I'm going to put that down here, and I'm going to post it on Instagram, and I'm going to use the hashtag, and my friends can cheer me on, or maybe they'll want to join me. Okay, so let's dive into the products. This is the best part. The first product I'm going to start with is the 7-day healthy cleanse. This is the first 7 days of your 30-day challenge. So this cleanse is designed to, like I said, jumpstart your weight loss, give you more energy, help you sleep better. Overall, it is just guaranteed to make you feel much better in 1 week. So let's open it up. So the first thing in the 7-day cleanse box is this awesome insert. This is going to give you just so much information about the cleanse. It's going to give you exactly how to prepare. So 1 week out, you want to start preparing. It's going to tell you how kind of the tips while you're on the cleanse, exactly what's in the cleanse, and then some more tips on while you're doing it, and then also a grocery list. So this is super helpful because it's a pretty comprehensive list of foods that we recommend to eat while you're on the cleanse. And it also has beverages, fats, condiments, sweeteners, and then it ends with what you can do when you're done with the cleanse. So this is a great little insert. It's going to give you a lot of information. And again, the insert, when you open the box, has the websites where you can go for even more information than this. So that's great. And then the actual cleanse comes in, so there's 7 kind of double packets. These tear apart. It's your morning cleanse supplements and your nighttime cleanse supplements. So it's really easy. It's labeled morning and night, and the vitamins are in the back. So they're just cute little satchels, and you can take the morning ones with you to work or on the go, and your nighttime ones, I just keep mine on my nightstand. So that's the cleanse. Okay, we'll put that right there. So after you're done with the 7-day cleanse, you move on to your strip and your shake. I personally like to strip and shake in the morning. That's just how I like to start my day, but you can really replace any of your meals with a strip and a shake, and you're going to be doing the challenge just perfectly. So let's start with the vitamin strip. I chose Vitalizer Women. One thing to note is that you can customize your box with whatever protein powder flavors you want and whichever vitalizer you want. So we have 3 different vitalizers. We have women, we have men, and we have a gold. So I chose women, and I will show you what it looks like. So you open it up, and there are strips, and it's a 30-day supply of strips for you. And this right here is a comprehensive, clinically supported nutrient system that's going to give you really everything you need in your day. It's going to give you antioxidants, phytonutrients, omega-3 fatty acids, probiotics, really everything that you need to help you feel amazing. And the best part is it's tiny, it's going to fit in your purse, it's going to fit in your gym bag. Sometimes I just throw it in my jacket pocket when I'm headed out the door. So that's kind of my favorite part about this, is that, you know, it's just so convenient. I don't have vitamins that are rustling around, or I have to, you know, they're rolling away, or I have to keep them in a container. It's all right here for me. So this is the Vitalizer strip that you're going to take once a day. And then we have our plant protein. So I chose the plant protein. You can choose soy, and you can pick your flavor. I personally chose the vanilla plant because I like to make it in the morning, and I like to put berries and bananas in it and almond milk. And the reason I can add all those things to it is that it has 0 added sugar, and it has 20 grams of non-GMO protein. So I am starting my day with a healthy protein-filled shake. This plant-based one is made with pea protein plus an organic blend of chia and organic pumpkin protein. So I feel really good about what I'm putting in my body. And not only that, it is gluten-free, it's vegan, it's kosher, and it's keto-friendly. So if I have friends staying with me and I want to make them a shake and they have certain dietary restrictions, I can give this to them, and it's perfectly fine. So in your Prove It Challenge box, you are going to get 2 of these, which is a 30-day supply. And since you're not eating protein while you're on the cleanse, you will have a little bit left over, but that's just a bonus. So that is really it. It's a super simple system. It's 30 days. Again, you're going to feel amazing. I'm really excited to start. I've kind of dabbled in all of these products, but I'm going to put them together, and I'm going to commit to 30 days. A few of us here in the office, we're all doing it here together. And on our corporate social media channels, we will be starting a challenge in August. So we hope you all join us. And if you want more information on the Prove It Challenge, just click the link below and visit the site. Thanks so much.